Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam Market too many requests. So first of all, what you have to do is, if you have been launching Steam, you're going to have to quit it. And as you do that, make sure that this is also quit from this drop-down menu. If you see Steam here, right click onto it, select exit. Now, once you have done that, what you have to do is press Windows and R, type in CMD and then enter. It'll open your command prompt and type in this exact code, which is ipconfig //flush DNS. And then enter. Once you see this successful message, you're going to have to close this as well. And now see if it fixes your problem by launching Steam as an administrator. If you want to run it as an administrator, type in Steam and you will see the option of running as administrator at this section. Once you do that, run it as an administrator and see if it changes anything. If it's still not working, then here is the last thing that you could try. Come below at the search bar again, type in network reset. You will see it under system settings. Open your network reset, select reset now, select yes. It will restart your device. Once you do that, launch your Steam again and it will definitely fix your problem. Thank you for watching.